So here's how to create a Remitly account. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your phone. And here, tap on the first option, Create a New Profile. And here for the first option, select from where you're going to send money from. So here, if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of options to choose from. Choose wherever you live. After that, select the To section. Now scroll through and select whichever country where you want to send the money. Now, tap on Next. After that, you will be redirected to a new page. Wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, you will need to put in your information. So type in your email address. After doing that, you need to put in a new password. So type in a strong password that you will remember. After that, type it in again in order to confirm your password. So once you're done, just tap on Sign Up. Now tap on I'm not a robot and follow the steps as usual and select Verify. After you're done verifying, select Sign Up again. Also, you can use your Google account or Apple account in order to sign up. So on the next page, you can set your biometrics. For now, I will go with Not Now. So as you can see, our account has been created. Just tap on Get Started. After that, you can start using your Remitly account right away. And that is exactly how to create a Remitly account.